So in this problem, which is called making faces, they want you to use a function called convert that basically, whenever the user inputs a smiley face, it's going to convert it to an emoji, and likewise with a sad face. This problem is obviously a bit more difficult because we're using functions. So if you look below at the demo, when the user has inputted a smiley face, it returns an emoji face. So if we go to our program, first of all we need to create a function, call it main, and then we need to prompt the user for input. So input, and then obviously you want to print that input as well. Then we're going to create a function called convert emoji. So convert emoji, replace. So we're going to replace smiley face with, we'll just copy this, like that, and then also replace sad face with the sad emoji. And then we're going to return that. And then obviously you need to call the function as well. So here we need to obviously convert the user's input, so convert like that. And then if you run the program, let's see, and likewise, yeah, and that's it for this problem.